How to create a smart pop-up on Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video on our channel. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments and like this video because today I'm going to show you in the very simple steps that how you can add Shopify pop-up coupons or discount offers in your page like Shopify store. So to do this, you have to head over to Shopify admin panel. Here you can see this link here, shopify.com start login. You just have to log into your Shopify admin account and head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. So after going to the Shopify admin dashboard, there you can see this apps option. Simply tap onto apps, and after going to the apps, you have to head over to Shopify App Store. You can go to this, and there you can see the Shopify App Store. Go here there, and simply search for pop-up or e-com pop-up or pop-up corn like popcorn. I'm not joking because there's another popcorn AI and popcorn replay customer visits here, but just now search for pop-up. There are multiple apps available, but for this video, we are gonna use Pop Convert this site. Just simply tap on Pop Convert, install it up, and after installing it, I'm gonna show you how you can add it to Shopify store and convert it, like edit it according to your need. So install it up. So first of all, you have to install it on your Shopify store. Wait until the installation is completed. So there we go. And at the left corner, you can check out this pop convert pop-up. So simply go there. And here you can check out your campaigns views and other things. So to create pop-up, you have to tap onto these pop-up sections, or you can find out pop-up options like on the coupon you can create coupon for pop-up. But right now I'm going to tap onto this options here pop out. No, let's start use a template for this video. Right now I'm going to use this template from here. Just choose a template that suits you the most. Also you can upload your image templates from here. You can use this image templates. For example, I'm going to choose this one, use this template, and then you can edit this according to your wish and your need. So let's edit it. For example, I'm going to change this color to red, and then I'm gonna choose this main color. Let's wait. So here you can check out your goal. You can create goal, you can create coupons if you want to. So right now I'm gonna create a coupon also, so you can create a pop-up for social shares, timer, and etc. So there we go. You can edit every text if you want. Let me cut this. Okay, now you can remove watermark if you wish to. You can tap onto pop convert, and then okay, now let's skip that part. So now let's design it. Okay, so from here you can upload background images if you want from devices. Then you can open it up, and then you can upload it to your pop-up site or store, you can say. You can also customize the time of your pop-up time. Like, okay, let me show you how you can customize the time. Scroll down, and from here you can just use this font family. From here you can choose fonts if you wish to. Let me delete this page because this does not look good. First of all, let me cut this one, and let me upload another image right now. From here you can see this image. Okay, let's delete this one, and this background one is perfect. Let's just change the color of it. Change the background color. Let's use a okay, this one is enough. You can upload image from image library, or you can also create AI image if you wish to. You just have to give it a prompt, and you can select the style or illustration. You can then generate the image. Then AI will generate image. Okay, let me show you how generate me as aesthetic store pick. Okay, that's enough. Now let's generate image, and there we go. AI is creating your image. So wait until the image is completed, and then you will see the image. Till then we are gonna go to this side, and you can customize, you can check out these templates, you can check out this pop-up here. As you can see, the pop-up right here has been shown. You can activate it. I'm gonna activate it a little later. So there we go, you can use this image here very easily. Now you can choose the pop-up with and etc. For example, this is it. You just need to edit it according to need. You can edit the background image more if you wish to. So now let's go to content option. No, let's go to content option. You can add more contents, images, buttons if you wish to. For example, like this, you can use this button. We can also enter this display. We can turn it on, and then we can choose button text sizes and etc. Just customize everything according to your need, and we can choose that how long after closing to show the widget again. So I'm going to tap into 15 days. You can enable exit extend or not. So this is the time settings where your customers will see that when the pop-up appears. You can set it to show immediately or 3 seconds after or 5 seconds after. For me, I'm going to choose it to 3 seconds after. Okay, so everything is done for editing. Then you have to publish it up, you have to save it and then publish it, then tap on to confirm, and here we go. Then you can see this, it has been activated. Now you can also create pop-up right from here, exact like the same ways I showed you earlier. You can just create a pop-up right from here by entering your new pop-up signs and etc. So this is how you can create a pop-up option on your Shopify store very easily. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, let me know in the comments section, and if you have any confusions, let me know them too. So I hope you understand that how to create a pop-up store on Shopify. If you don't understand it, let me know. You just go to create pop-up, tap onto it, you enter your pop-up name, then just tap on to create, and then follow the exact same steps I showed you earlier. Then edit everything according to your need. If you wish to, you can design it, you can design everything, and you can preview it mobile. Like this is the mobile preview and this is the desktop preview. You can tap on the preview and you can check it out. So there you go, you can check this out. This is how it will pop up. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, and as always, happy exploring. See you on the next video.